a natural curiosity to learn about the world around us. Students at Knoxville's Lonsdale Elementary peer through high-powered microscopes at pond water and what lives there. Organisms so small the human eye wouldn't ordinarily see them, protozoa and bacteria. These kids experience what it's like to be a scientist.
I hope they get out of this experience the idea of, one, this is what science is, to start asking questions, seeing things that you may not see every day.
A college professor teaches 5th grade. PHILLIP MYER is a microbiologist in the Animal Science Department at UT's Institute of Agriculture, specializing in feed efficiency in beef cattle and nutritional physiology. He does research and instructs college students, but on occasion he gives his time at elementary schools to talk to kids about careers in agriculture and leads them in scientific experiments.
To go through, actually see what it is to be a scientist or microbiology or get an idea about science, I think it's really important to get our kids ready for these more advanced careers that are driving our world.
Dr. MYER has developed K-12 science standards working with the Tennessee Department of Education. And not only does he do classroom visits, he also teaches kids in other states through FaceTime and video chat. As for the kids at Lonsdale, they're in agreement. It's important for them to learn science and to work together.
Because they can get better at science, and when they grow up, they can teach science.
Yeah, or be a scientist.
Yeah.
Yeah. Think you might like to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Because once we're all a team, we can learn more and we can gather information.
Mm-hmm. Teamwork?
Mm-hmm.
These students look forward to more science lessons, experiments, and exploring our world. When college comes to grade school, it's learning at all levels, and curiosity can lead to knowledge. This is Charles Denny reporting.